Have you ever wondered how you can make $10,000 a month with residential assisted living? Let me show you how. The average cost of care in our country today is $4,500 per month per resident. And in any part of the country, you're going to be allowed to have anywhere between 6 and 16 residents in the home. We'll call it 10 for easy math. This is going to be bringing you in $45,000 every single month of gross income. Now, of course, there are expenses. You've got to pay for your staff and vacancies and liability insurance, taxes, activities, food, you name it. We'll bake in $30,000 a month in your expenses on this home. Now, in most parts of the country, you can still get a pretty nice home for $5,000 every single month. This leaves us with $10,000 of monthly cash flow or $120,000 of annual cash flow. That's pretty exciting. But I know what you're thinking. $4,500 a month is pretty low. My mom's paying $7,000 a month. And if you live in a part of the country like Illinois, Texas, Ohio, New Jersey, where you're allowed to have that 15 or 16 residents, let's look at what those numbers would look like. $7,000 a month times your 15 residents, bringing in $105,000 of monthly gross income. Now, our expenses on a luxury home are going to go up a bit. Plus, we have 5 more residents in this example, so let's put in $50,000 a month in expenses. The debt service on a home that houses 15 residents, it's probably going to cost us a pretty penny, so we'll set aside $15,000 a month for that mortgage or debt service. That's going to leave you with $40,000 a month of monthly cash flow, or $480,000 a year. I know people who are making $40,000 a year. This is game-changing money. This is life-changing money. If you want to learn how to open your first residential assisted living home, click the link below and let's talk today.